And you have a little surprise package coming down from Illinois for us, right?
Yes. The original BBS.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is a complete BMW kit.
So it's an ABC/BMW car. And now we're driving to the showroom to collect 4 cars that are coming in. The wide body, MAE 123 wide body.
Good finally meeting you, huh?
He's so big.
That's why I only drive Mercedes.
Yeah. I'm Gene. In the past, I used to own the company Imagor.
Okay, yeah.
And we were classic, you know, the classic auto accessories.
Yeah.
So we owned it in Japan. And I was also Zender and Lorinser distributor in the Midwest.
Very nice.
And we dealt with basically all the players.
I see.
NFL, NBA. I did all of Michael Jordan's cars, Scottie Pippen's, all of those cars.
Very nice. And you have a little surprise package coming down from Illinois for us, right?
Yes.
Wrapped in UK.
This is factory white body?
Wrapped in UK, the AMG outfitter.
I told you about the project I'm doing already for 2 years. I got the brand new, the last one made, complete AMG kit from AMG pre-merge.
Which
model? 124.
Oh shit.
Cool. And I found the silver convertible 124 last year, 95. Okay. So I'm totally converting that. Plus I'm putting the 500 motor in it from the SL and OZ wheels. I can't wait to finish it. I enjoy your cars. And,
This is a Lorinser, so.
I think you guys are doing the greatest thing. You know?
This one just came in from Germany, actually.
This one?
Yes.
You guys should organize like a show.
Yeah, we want to do
People that have this type of cars, they can come.
Yeah, no, we buy all the cars.
And then they
We also want to do a show with just our cars because so many people want to see it and they don't want to wait until we open the museum. So in the meantime, we can do some shows like at least once or twice a year. Brabus van. I've never seen one.
Where'd you guys bring this from?
Japan. Just got it from auction. This is Eddie Murphy's.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's rotten. Like we got it and the frame is fucked up, so it's like we don't know what to do right now. I got it for $8,000 and it's Eddie Murphy.
I tell you what, I have a donor car.
Do you know about this car, ABC exclusive from Bonn, Germany? Yeah, so interesting car once again. Those wheels didn't come on it, but ABC exclusive was kind of the pendant to Koenig Specials. Yeah.
BMW.
We're the only ones to go over American bumper.
The US bumper is under there?
Yeah, you were supposed to remove the. Once you remove it, it goes right on.
So cool. In the back too?
Yeah, same way. See, like this goes up. We're the only ones because the AMG stopped the side skirt right here.
Right. You guys went up to match the door.
Yeah.
And the bottom ridge on the door, that's also BMW?
Yeah, this is a complete BMW kit.
So it's an ABC/BMW car.
Exactly what it is.
Wow. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Maybe the boxes are better to keep it in.
Yeah.
This is also a great wheel. This is original
Look at that.
Renault.
This is from the set you guys ordered?
No, this is his. We bought all of them from him.
Right, that's what
How
I'm
many
mean.
wheels?
This one is brand new.
Yeah, it's the RS90. I have those.
With a 2-inch lip. And this is totally also completely redone. New bolts, everything.
ABS,
The original
BBS.
BBS.
Beautiful.
That's sick.
The gold ones look too good.
Yeah, this Aries.
No, nice. Those look like the ones on the yellow.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah. What's going on?
We are doing a whole bunch of work to this car. We're kind of delayed on some of the parts showing up, so I'm putting it together for the meantime. We're gonna pull it off the lift, and then I'm gonna start working on that green SEC over there. New shocks on for the time being, because it doesn't make sense to put back on old parts. Whole front suspension refresh. This car is 225,000 kilometers. This is one of the cars that Anthony and Victor really want to drive often. This one, it had a few oil leaks, and what we saw was somebody had used the totally wrong oil drain plug crush washer. Put the right one on, did an oil change on it, and now we see another oil leak between the engine and the transmission, We're hoping it's coming from somewhere else and just like dripping down there. But once we get it up on the lift, we'll see if it's like a rear main. So if you look right here, pretty much this whole body kit's being held on with like 4 screws, 2 on each side, which is not okay. And then same thing on the door coming off right here. We're gonna pull the fuel system pretty much and clean it all out because it idles a little rough. And when we pulled the fuel distributor, we saw like a little bit of dirt, and rust, or whatever. There was debris in the fuel. It was not clean.
Right now we're driving to the showroom to collect 4 cars that are coming in. One is coming in from Miami and the rest all from overseas. I used to go to the overflow, that's why the smaller warehouse. I trying to make sure. Did you give him the showroom address? What's up guys, this car right here we just picked up from RMC Miami, our good friends over there. You know what I mean? Shout out to Bernard, shout out to Peter, Danny, all the guys over there at RMC. Listen, I have this car, another one, same car. A guy was delivering it. This box, boop, broke. I have it, broken. I have it on film, so you gotta be careful. Bruh. You gotta go slow. Remember the guy with the wagon? Ese está bien, ese está. Oh, you good. Alright, so this is another car from RMC Miami. Our good friends over there always hooking us up with something cool. This is another Japanese built AMG wagon. It has a regular 320 motor, but it has the full outfit of an AMG car. So I just got in for the first time. It feels great, it looks great. I'm gonna take it for a little spin around the block and get back with you guys later. Off the rip, the car is super smooth, feels great. I mean, most cars we get from RMC are always quality. They go through the cars pretty thoroughly before they give them. So AC's blowing cold. Peter would like that. This, see if it you know, it acts right off top. The idle is good. Steering is good. No weird smells, no overheating. Just the basics. That's what I'm saying, you can even do it here, just spray it and wipe it.
Nah, I don't have a you got it.
Yo, listen. Got it. Okay. Okay. The one off SGS convertible, or the wide body MAE 123 wide body. It's a convertible W201. We're gonna look into it more, figure out who made it. I'll talk to my boy Chris Hans over at SGS. But for now, let's just, you know, enjoy it as it is. You got some special wheels on there. Those are the Lorinser LO, the low wheels. Very rare W123 coupe. So it's a C123 wide body MAE with the BBS, fat tires, and it's manual, and it got a special interior. Come check this out. Super cool custom interior with the manual transmission, stick shift. You know how we do it. It's here, boys. Moldy, it's disgusting, it's terrible. A lot of these cars, they just sit around warehouses for so long in weird conditions. When they get here, they're moldy. So we got to get the homie Julio on it right away. Julio's gonna do his little 1-2 on it and get that mold out of there so we can drive these cars. That's a wrap for today. We got 3 cars instead of 4 because the 4th one, they couldn't get it started at the shipping agency. So we'll go check that out and see what's going on with it. But, you know, still a glorious day. We got 3 heavy hitters, including C123 wide body MAE. Beautiful car with a custom interior and it's manual. Also got W201 convertible, also manual. And we got the beautiful S124 red station wagon from Japan. So Thank you for checking us out, guys. Stay logged on. The Patina Collective. Much more coming soon. Let's go.